Hello friends, welcome again. Today I am going to show you how to remove the noise from a audio file in a shortest way by using Audacity software. For doing this, we have to open a file that what you are already recorded or your desired file. Just click file and open, then select your desired file. I have already a recorded file for you. Open it. You can see there is lots of frequency level where I was talked and where I am not talking anything. So at first we have to listen this file. Friends, life is too short, so we have to do all the good things for a better afterlife. I think you heard, and now I'm going to remove the noise from this audio file. For removing the noise, you have to select a shorter portion from your audio file where you just said nothing, but at that portion your background noises are recorded. So I like to select this portion, or okay, you can select from center. Just select this portion. After selecting this, we have to go to the effect, then go to the noise reduction. At this portion you can see get noise profile. That means this software took the background noises from this portion and make a profile, and then we are going to use that profile. So click the get noise profile. Yes, this software already took the profile or background noises from your audio file. So now we are going to select all the file, then click on the effect, then again click on the noise reduction, and now we are not going to select get noise profile. We have to select OK at this point, because in this step 2 our audio file will be removed from the noises. So you can adjust the noise reduction level, sensitivity or frequency, smoothing bands, but I am always prefer the default things because this is the best selection for us. If you want, then you can change it, but I am using the default things. Just click on OK. You can see it's already shown that a lots of noise already removed. So this is the way for removing the noise of a audio file. So let's listen the file again after removing the noise. Friends, life is too short, so we have to do all the good things for a better afterlife. So friends, this is how we can remove the noise. If the noise is still there, so you can do the same process again on this audio file. Just click on effect, repeat the noise reduction. You can see in this time this graph is totally straight. That means frequency is totally 0. So now if we hear it, how does it? Friends, life is too short, so we have to do all the good things for a better afterlife. So you can see at this stage my voice quality is also reduces. So try to make it clear that your voice are not decreases. So I just do it for one time. If you need, then you can do it for the second time. So this is how we can remove the noise from the audio file by using Audacity. After removing the noise, you just click on the file, then export as mp3, and just save to your desired location. That's it. This is how I am removing noises from my audio file. I hope it will helps you, and if it helps you, just thumbs up and subscribe my channel for some new tips and tricks. Not only tips and tricks, some working and honest tips that will helps in your life. So keep watching and stay tuned. SS Tech Lab. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.